Mr. Alex Joga, what's happening? Welcome to LayerzeroTalk. Thank you. Have you checked Layerzero X page of recent? There is a new integration between Layerzero and Bungee Exchange. I want to ask you a question. I know we've talked about it before, but can you still recap on what Layerzero is? Layerzero is a protocol that helps different blockchain networks talk to each other, right? And it also makes things work across chains. Exactly. Layerzero is an omni-chain interoperability protocol. It allows different blockchains to communicate seamlessly. Now let's talk about the integration with Bungee Exchange. What do you think this means for users and developers? Well, from what I read, it means users can swap tokens across different chains without paying gas fee and without losing value due to spillage. That's a great deal, especially for DeFi. You are always on the right track. Let's break it down. The integration involves the OFT standards, which stands for Omnichain Fungible Token. We talked about it in our last discussion. You can remember, right? Yes. The OFT standard allows token to move across chains without turning into wrapped version. So if I have USDT on Ethereum, I can move it to be Binance Smart Chain as USDT, not wrapped USDT. Precisely, this is crucial because wrapped tokens can sometimes cause issues with liquidity and security. Now, Bungee Exchange is a liquidity market. How does this integration enhance Bungee's capabilities? Bungee can now offer gasless swaps and zero spillage movement for 340 assets across more than 130 chains. That is huge. It means users can get the best prices and do not have to worry about the technical stuffs. Correct. And this is all powered by Layerzero technology. Now, let's consider the user's experience. Imagine if you're a user wanting to swap USDT from Ethereum to Solana. How does this integration make that process smoother? With Layerzero and Bungee, I just sign once and the token moves natively. No gas fee, no spillage, and I don't need to think about which chain I'm on. It's like magic. That's a great way to put it. Now, let's think about the technical side. Layerzero relies on two main components, the Oracle and the Relayer. Can you recall what these do? The Oracle provides data security and the Relayer handles the message delivered between chains. Together, they ensure that the cross-chain transactions are secured and efficient. Spot on. This separation of responsibility is what makes Layerzero approach unique. It leverages existing Oracle services like Chainlink and Band, adding an extra layer of security with the open Relayer system. Now, how do you think this impacts the broader DeFi ecosystem? It makes DeFi more accessible and efficient, with tokens moving natively and gasless swaps. More people might start using DeFi applications across different chains. It could lead to a more connected ecosystem. Absolutely. This integration is a step towards what we call chain abstraction, where users do not need to worry about the underlying blockchain infrastructure. It's all about seamless experiences. Now, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Suppose you're a developer building a DeFi application. How does this integration benefit you? As a developer, I can build applications that work across multiple chains without worrying about the token standard or liquidity pools. I can focus on users' experience and the core functionality of my application, knowing that Layerzero and Bungee handles the cross-chain stuffs. Excellent insight. This reduces the complexity and overhead for developers, encouraging innovation in the DeFi space. Finally, let's think about the future. How do you see this integration evolving over the next year? I think we will see more chains and assets supported. Maybe even NFTs, that's non-fungible tokens, could benefit from similar standards. The user's experience will get even better. And we might see more partnerships like this one, making the entire blockchain ecosystem more interconnected. A fast-forward thinking perspective, you're absolutely right. The trend towards interoperability and user-friendly experience is likely to accelerate. This integration, my brother, is just the beginning. Well done. Do not forget to follow, like, repost, and also subscribe on X at Jogazi and YouTube at Joga Crypto 1. Thank you.